Okay, we're back to the Z. We're going to figure out why this isn't working. This is the 80s model, has an electric motor and it's supposed to pop up. So it's got power to it, so we're going to take it apart and see if we can fix it. So
Yeah.
Go ahead and pop that plastic thing out.
Oh, this. Oh, okay. Yeah. I don't know how to do that.
I don't know how to do that either. Okay.
For this thing. Seems to be working.
It's working or not.
I guess it might be just spinning it.
And it's just spinning.
Oh, nope.
We're out. Okay, so that's out.
Okay, cool. So, okay. Got the motor in view. How'd you get the thing off? The plastic thing.
What plastic thing?
Thing that right there that we were having trouble
I just
with?
broke it off.
Oh, okay.
I broke it off with the pliers.
Oh, okay. I mean,
it's
that
just
works.
holding the wire up, so.
Okay.
Okay, so this is out. This.
Yeah. So, can you pull that up? I'm gonna go see if I can start the. Like, is it like electronically?
Yeah.
Okay. So inside this car, right in here, we have this switch, and that is the antenna.
Okay, hit it again.
Okay.
Hit it again. Okay, come see this.
Okay, I'm coming.
So I'm pulling it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So you have the antenna out.
Out. This looks like it's pretty jacked up. I don't know.
Okay, so we just did all the WD-40 stuff. So now we're just gonna try it again. Ready?
Yep.
Do anything?
No, try it again. Okay. Well, it's not working.
Okay. Well.
So, I'm just gonna take this thing apart.
Okay, so we got the whole thing off, and so
Yeah.
yeah. Uh-huh.
So yeah.
So that helped us a lot. Definitely understand the problem now.
Yeah, it's fixed now.
Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Yep.
Well, if I take that apart, it's not gonna go back together. That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. Probably.
I think this is for the windshield wiper fluid. Oh no, why would they have that?
Oh. Okay.
Looks like that's broke.
Oh.
So this is plastic.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is probably ruined. Pretty sure.
Yeah,
I'm
probably.
about 100% sure it's ruined.
Yeah.
But that's all right.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's good.
Yeah. It's just, it was broken in the first place, so. Yep.
Okay. So, I don't know what I did with the motor, but we had a thought process that possibly we could just put some WD-40 on it, and it was just seized up, but it's not. It's broken, and we'd literally have to take the whole thing apart, and we're not going to do that. So we have decided to get this
Yep.
new one, and we're going to put that in.
Yeah.
So I think that's the best deal. We just need it to have radio reception.
Yep. Pretty much our only priority right now. When it comes to this
Hopefully
antenna.
it fits right in there.
Yeah.
So.
Luckily, these are very easy to take apart. Have these notches on the side.
This was just AutoZone special,
Yeah.
$25 or whatever.
Yeah, this is like. Okay, so we finally got some progress, some really good progress. So what we had to do was we had to feed the cord in through this way, and then the arms were vertical, and then we had to pull it back up so the arms would be horizontal. And that allowed for this piece to be set in. And then there's a screw. You can take this ball off because of this screw. And then that screw, there's a screw underneath there. And you just have to screw that in. And that's really difficult. So, did that.
Yeah.
So.
Well, we made it difficult. I don't know if it's difficult, but
Yeah, well.
it was difficult for us.
Sure was.
So now, technically, we should just be able to plug this into the
Yeah, so.
this one.
Yep, that one I'm pretty sure. Just right there.
Or not.
Or not.
There we go.
Got it all plugged in. Stuff all those cords back there.
I'm not taking it back out. I know that much.
Yeah, no, we're not taking it back out.
Okay, so let's see if the radio works.
Okay, let's go see. Okay. Okay.
So hit search.
Search? Where's that? Seek?
Yeah. Again.
Okay, looks like we have.
That's some 80s music. 85, probably. Okay, so that's all taken care of, and then I'm going to replace this real quick, and this is obviously not going to be an instructional thing, but this thing's all the way down to the plastic. So. Anyway, Lon's going to swap that out real quick.